Let's take a closer look at the structure of this website based on the provided design prepared in Figma. When zoom out, we can see that the website features a clear and logical structure. Its colors are distinctly panel with blue and pink dominating. In my opinion, these colors are very pleasant to the eye and calming, which corresponds well with the content related to a physiological office. We can also notice many common elements across the subpages, such as the header, footer, but also individual sections or wraps that we can build using global sections or wraps. It is visible that there will be call to action elements at the end of almost every subpage, as well as a structure with an image moving from problem to solution. Perhaps in this particular case, it may seem to you that using global structures doesn't make sense since it only appears twice on our site, but I have a plan for it, and I think it will be more convenient to implement it in one place so that any future changes to the structure will apply to both instances. It is worth noting that this website is based on presenting the content on the main homepage and then extending it with necessary information on the services and about subpages. The FAQ and contact subpages serve more functional roles. The first allows answering frequently asked questions, and the second presents contact details and in this case includes a contact form for which I will use the Contact Form 7 plugin.